Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of our new client portal. Please note that if you navigate to the upper right corner when you log in, if you have access to other portals such as a business or dependent account, you will be able to switch to them using this drop-down menu in the top right corner. So now we're in the company view and we can switch back to the individual account here. This is also where you can edit your user settings such as your email and password and update default payments. Under the Home tab, you'll see a dashboard view where you can view your current outstanding balance owed to our firm, any pending requests that we may have for you, as well as recently added files. Under the Files tab, you can navigate to your tax documents for any given year, as well as the source documents that were used in the preparation. You can open files in your browser by double-clicking on a file. You can also download the files using this button, as well as this is where you can upload files to us for review. Under the Billing tab, you can open outstanding invoices to review them. You can make a payment in full or a partial payment using a credit card or bank account. You may also save the information for future payments to make it a little easier. Also in this tab, you can view your payment history as well as any upcoming scheduled payments. Under the Request tab, you can view e-signature requests or other requests that we may have for you. To complete an e-signature request, you'll select that item and then navigate to the blue button on the right. If you select that button, you'll have the document up in front of you so you can review it. Then you can simply add your signature. When you add your signature, it will also fill in the date fields for you. Upon completion of the document, you can select the Send button, which will then send it to us for our review. To complete another request, simply select the request and find the details to the right. In the request, you can attach files to upload. And you can also make additional comments as needed. Once you've uploaded and made any comments that you need, then you can check the box to mark the request as complete, which will send it back to us for review. Under the Final tab, Surveys, you can view our Client Organizer. And this is a great tool that will help us have accurate and up-to-date information to efficiently process your tax return. It will ask you about life events, such as having a child, other less common events, personal information, filing status. It will ask you about dependents. And please note that as you're working through this survey, there's the option in these checkboxes to select none of the above. And you can also enter additional information as needed in any of these sections. You'll be asked about income, deductions, financial events, and other information such as banking. If you would like a bank account for a direct deposit of your refund or to pay any taxes due out of that account, as well as listing any estimated tax payments that you made throughout the year. At the end of the survey, there will be a section that populates any forms that might be applicable based on your responses, and you can upload that information here. And if you don't have information, you can upload using the Files tab at a later time. But you can upload what you have, and then this is where it would indicate if you have missed any answers to any of the items in the survey. If everything looks okay, you can submit it, which sends it to us for review. That is our new client portal. I hope this has been helpful, and if you have any questions or issues, feel free to reach out. Thank you.